Hey y'all, back again for another waxing video. Gotta get these armpits together because Easter is tomorrow and I can't be out here hairy like this in my Easter dress. So I went ahead and of course I'm using my Sexy Smooth Tickled Pink. Never disappoints, always shows out for the girls. This is a really good wax, as I've always said before, and make sure you're using code Sexy Smooth Eye Candy for 20% off of your order, no matter how big or small. If you are a new esty or if you're in school and you want to practice, I definitely highly recommend getting this wax. It is just a really great brand, and of course it doesn't leave my skin irritated after anything. So going in to do my cleanup strip, which always surprised me because it really be those little hairs that don't be wanting to come up, but that cleanup strip is going to get it every time, especially with that stagger dagger pull. And my hair grows in different directions for whatever reason, so I had to go ahead and do that. And here we are onto the right arm, which was a bit of a struggle. Yeah, no, it was not the best strip. And this armpit always, I feel like I got to do more strips on this one, but it still gets done, so that's okay. And I'm still trying to be better at my exfoliating as well. So if you notice that I do have some ingrowns, that is because I have forgotten. But don't be like me, be better than me. This is the after, and then I also went and followed up with my rejuvenating body oil to bring in moisture and to soothe the area. Make sure y'all book with me so y'all can go ahead and get you a sample of this in your goodie bag, and I'll see y'all in my next video.